Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is chicken lo mian, brown rice noodles. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 8 ounces brown rice noodles, cooked and then drained. 8 ounces chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. We are going to marinate the chicken with half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Chinese cooking wine. You can use dry sherry as the substitute. Mix well, set aside. 4 ounces frozen sweet green peas, defrosted. 4 ounces onion cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 ounces cabbage cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 ounces carrot thinly sliced. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. Half a cup chicken broth. 1 teaspoon salt for the entire dish. Finish the preparation. Now we are ready to cook. I'm turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for an electric stove or medium to high heat for a gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We are going to cook the carrot and onion for 2 minutes until the carrot is slightly soft. It's been 2 minutes. The carrot is slightly soft. Now we are going to cook the chicken for 1 minute until the color of meat is no longer pink. It's been a minute. The color of the meat is no longer pink. Now we are going to add cabbage, green peas, and salt to cook for 3 minutes until the cabbage is slightly soft. It's been 3 minutes. The cabbage is slightly soft. Now we are going to add the noodles, chicken broth, to cook for 2 minutes until all the ingredients are mixed well. It's been 2 minutes. Everything has been mixed well. It is done. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.